Accessing your EXCELERATE transcript. There are several options for obtaining a record of your EXCELERATE activity. Using the navigation bar at the top of the home page, select Dashboard. You will be taken to a list of courses and content that you have registered for. This will include everything, regardless of whether or not you have completed it. You can search using the filters at the top of the results page. To access any of the content, simply click on the title. If you are looking for detail regarding courses completed and credits earned, click the Transcript Achievement buttons at the top of the results page. This will provide a transcript with the course title, the amount of credit earned, the date that the credit is earned, and the credit type. You have the option to download this information into a PDF file. You also have the option to sort your transcript by date range or by credit type.